It's got very dusky now. Sun's behind me. Next 2 weeks I'm playing Santa. And some people say, oh, it's not really acting, but it is. It's getting into that persona, which is great. I done a David Bellamy stuff the past few days and it's taken up a bit too much time. Got so much to do. I've got to get the column done for the newspaper tonight. Or at least started on it, Barron District News. Oh, I'm reminded as well, around here, there's 2 flocks of sheep being stolen. So as I can't be on the land in West Wales at night, a bit worried when I come back in the morning, my 2 flocks of sheep are going to be gone. So that's a bit sad. Been destroying lots of paperwork today. Used to be involved with Plaid Cymru, for example. I destroyed a whole file of that stuff, you know, local promotional stuff. But I've kept the old SDP stuff. Anyway, chat to you tomorrow. Thank you. And keep subscribing. Watch what you're doing.